Come a bit more to the left, in line with me. Good job. Okay, Mark, so we're going to be just to the right of the main waves, watching that your right edge isn't going to get caught, so lifting that when you need to. Don't go yet, stay with me. Yep, now go right. Good job. Good job. Keep paddling, put the power down. Okay, sit forward and paddle through the shit. Good job. Woohoo! Okay, everyone catch an eddy on the right hand side behind me. Lucy, go now, catch the eddy on the right hand side behind me. Gus, swim left. Swim left. Don't stand up. Swim left. Don't stand up. Not yet. Keep swimming. Let go of your kayak. Swim over. Keep swimming. When it's knee deep, stand up. Okay, carefully stand up. Okay, come and grab your kayak quickly before it drags me away. You okay? Just unclip that carabiner. Okay. Got it? Good job. Woohoo! Think that'll be getting a few on race day.